Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:15 p.m., April 7th, 2021, Wednesday, hump day. Here we are with another choppy fest on the markets. You can see here we ended pretty much flat on the day. So make sure you subscribe if you're new, like the video. It just takes 2 seconds. Share the video and comment on the video. Yeah. Yesterday, I got some good comments yesterday too. I did not have a good day. I was kind of bored. I was very frustrated, of course. I ended up on a down day. Not a significant down day, just a down day. And, the markets are challenging. They're challenging. It's a challenging profession. There's no doubt about it. I've been fighting for 2 months now. And, I'm keeping it together for the most part, but I'm just not seeing monetarily, which isn't the whole focus. I mean, that's the ultimate focus, but not the whole focus of how you become a better trader. I need to focus on, taking good trades. And today I was so relaxed coming into this morning. After yesterday, I was just kind of frustrated. And I told myself, let's just shake the setups, listen for news, and everything's going to be okay. So what do? I start putzing around with some other stocks. I went not against my rules. I found some stuff that's set up. Here's how my day finished, 116. But I want to bring up how my day started. Actually, I started with a winning trade. But you can see here's my equity line for the day. I actually started with a winning trade. I was up 12.50. And then I found that XL here in Boeing and VIAC. And I ended up being down around 436. So I was continuing my downfall from yesterday. And fortunately, today was a big news play for me. A couple of them. And that got me, and a couple other trades got me back in the green. You can see I finished at highs for the day, and that's where I'm at, 116. So let me go into a little bit. Excel, okay? So Excel definitely had some momentum from yesterday. I thought it was a continuation move, and it just sold everyone out up here. And I actually bought back on this entry, and it kept falling and falling. And eventually, I got out. I was in pretty heavy with 276 loss. It was a little frustrating, that's for sure. Boeing, why was I even trading Boeing today? I do not know. I thought I was going to take out this 255.50, and I got flushed down on that one. Viacom was looking for a bounce. And it started flagging here. Just sucked it. It was just bull flag, or bear trap, I guess. Just sucked everyone in at the 46 level. And you can see here it went to 46.01. I got sucked into that. So that cost me a few bucks. AU, I think, was a news play that I jumped in kind of quick but failed to deliver. Pixie was a little bit of a news. AMD, I swear, that was my stock of the day. This was the stock to be in today. Look at the daily on this little flag here. I was looking for the break of yesterday's high, 82.46. Got up to that level here, 31, just shy, and this was a lower high. I was considering a pullback to the previous low here actually, I had a bid here at 48. Never got down there. I only got down to 53. And as you can see, it pulled back here, tried again, but did not. And then eventually it broke through that 40 yesterday's high and ripped up for 60, 70, 80 cents. I don't know how much it was, but it was a nice little move. And then the markets kind of fell off with the SPY the rest of the day. Tesla, I was trying to get something going there. SOS, I was trying to get something going there, which is overtraded. I don't even know why I even traded this. 347 million. I was looking for the breakthrough 6 on this one. Got a few cents off, and as you can see, I made a little money, 17 bucks. mRNA was a news event, kind of middle of the day. I got in, got out real quick. GLSI, probably the scariest stock I took today. Just crazy stock. Looking for, let's just bring that up because I don't even remember what I did there. It was a break here, 57.50 break, and it was just kind of wiggly here. and I think I won 100 or 200 shares. I forgot what I did. But that was okay. HYLN, took a trade through this level real quick, in and out, got out, and walked away with $100. But it was Zoom that got me going today after being down. News came out. I actually only went in with 200 shares, which is a really tough trader. This, people call it the Widowmaker stock, but I was able to catch a 329 entry, and it went up to 332 before it pulled back below my entry. And I got some nice chunkage out of there. I actually took a secondary move on this candle here. So it was two different trades. The first one was like $180 for the news trade, and the next trade was like $100 for the continuation move. Twitter, another news trade, late in the day announced they're going to start purchasing through their platform, or purchasing products or whatever, which is, I thought, huge. And I pressed the wrong button. I only hit 200. I was about to hit it again. But I got a nice chunk of change on that. I got for 200 shares, $55. I didn't get this whole move, and of course it got in a little late but I got in kind of early, actually. I should say that. The news came out pretty good, enough time for me to get in and get a nice move up. Probably should have been a little heavier there, but here's what I can say after being down 432 and coming back and getting green at 116. If this was a trade that I liked, I had conviction on, and I lost that, I'd be like, okay, it was just a tough loss. If this was a trade that I had conviction on and I lost on it, then okay. If this is a trade, you get the point. None of these trades, these bigger ones, I had any conviction on. There was no reason for me to be in them. I was just like, let's put on a trade. In a chop market, and the way I've been trading, there's no reason for me to be looking at this. Fortunately, there was good news today. In the past, I've had days like this where there was no news, and the combination kept me on the negative side. My breakout inflection point style of trading is just not working right now. It's just, goes up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cents or something like that, pulls back, then it gives you some pain, and then it just makes it hard to find that continuation. So I'm scalping. Again, I mentioned this yesterday. I don't like to scalp, but I kind of have to do the scalping. And, by scalping, two things happen. Either I get a little bit of green, I lose a little bit because it pulls back on me, or I get out and it rips another 50 cents, and it actually works. Going forward, I will sit on the damn hands and not force anything and really look for that news trade. I think in this market at this particular time, hopefully things improve. Really need them to improve, but we have another, I think it was another inside day on the SPY on the daily. Yeah, it was an inside day. Until we break out of this, I guess we'll go to 420. Why not? The markets say, let's go to 420. They love that number, right? So if we either go to 420 or we go back to 380, I don't know. But let's just do it already and get some action going. So that sums up my day. Feel good? Because yesterday was just frustrating. It's just frustrating, And, getting to green, it's not so much about getting the green. It's getting, back what I made mistakes on and knowing that the good stuff is out there. There's several trades here. Yeah, they're small. An AU $22 loss is no big deal. This XL was ridiculous. I was just no conviction whatsoever in that trade. I shouldn't have been trading it. And, if I can find trades like Zoom and Twitter and mRNA and kind of ramp up my size, things will look good ahead. So let me know what you think. Like the video. It just takes half a second to press that button. Subscribe if you're new, like the video, and share, comment. And I'll be back tomorrow. Have a good night.